No! It's up for now. We're gonna have to fight now. We're gonna have to fight. You gonna eat that in my face? What it do, Bandrunner Squad? What's up, you guys? It's your girl Shonda, and I'm back with another freaking video. As you can tell by the title, you guys, I'm going on Monkey app, and I'll be trolling today. So, you guys, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you'll be notified every time I post a freaking video. Today's post notification shout out goes to It's Nicole. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and just know your comments do not go unrecognized. We're on the road to 30K, you guys. 30 freaking K. So I need you guys to smash that subscribe button. Tell your friends to tell their friends to smash that subscribe button. What y'all waiting for? Look how cute or whatever. I see y'all keep looking at me. You guys, you'll make me blush. But also, you guys, I have my very own channel. It's called SHUNDA'S World. So please make sure you click that link in the description to my channel. I have my very own channel, you guys. Yeah, my very own channel. But I'm not gonna do too much talking, you guys. Let's go ahead and hop into the freaking video.
No, take those off. Stop.
What are you doing? You looking for a hot chick? Trying to spend some hot time for this hot summer? You're my guy.
Please tell me those teeth are real. Please tell me those teeth are real.
This me? Why? What's going on?
Nah, shut up. Stop. You're funny. You're good. I like you. I like you a lot.
So you gonna call me or what? What's going on? Ooh, y'all look ugly. That ain't hung up.
I tell everyone comes to my yard.
What you doing on here again? I told your broke ass not to come on here no more.
You got the wrong person, baby girl, because I ain't broke.
Yeah, I'm talking to you. It was you last time I talked to.
Wait, you
Yeah, I said what your broke ass.
Man, you know I'm not broke. Look at me.
Yeah, that's what I said. I said what your broke ass doing on here again.
Look at my skin. You know
that's what I'm saying. That look very brokish, broke skin.
No, baby girl.
Hey, yo, what's up? Let me get on the mic. Hey, what's up, baby boy? What's up? Shout out. What? Shout out. Hey, from Texas. Let me get on the mic. Put the mic.
Come on.
What's up? Straight out of Texas. Check one. Cutie pie, anything? Cutie pie?
Do you know what's mad? I know if you take out them teeth and them glasses, you're actually a Leonard's. That's how funny it is. Let me see you without it. I know you're actually good looking. Let me see you without it.
Still where, baby? Still where?
How are you though? You alright though, yeah?
I'm doing good. Still where, baby?
You're having fun though, innit? You're having fun today, innit?
I'm having a great day. How about yourself?
I'm chilling.
So you gonna call me? Are you gonna call me or what?
I will call you. What's your
Okay. Hold on. Let me get my phone.
Oh my god, not the flip phone.
Hold on. Wait a minute. I know you didn't. You know what? I hope it's just killing your soul. You think it? What's the number?
Not the flip phone. Wait. Close the phone with attitude, please. You know what you... So if you're on the phone...
I'm gonna hang up on you. What's your number?
My number 07.
That sounds like a social security number. Nah,
Nah, I'm from London, remember? So my number's different to yours. What's your number?
Hold on. Damn phone ain't even charged up.
I'm saying, wait, can I say you look like Steve Urkel? So wait.
Hold on, wait a minute. That's fighting words right there.
You don't do that.
I'm gonna take my earrings out now.
Don't do that.
I'm gonna take my earrings out now.
Hey, these hands is lesbian. They lick females.
Come on in, cause baby, we can tussle.
No, I'm not. I know you girls like to tussle. I'm a fighter. I'm a shooter.
I know you are. Me too.
Up the blicky. Yeah.
Shoot. Don't play with me. Bye. I gotta go. What your broke ass doing? What your broke ass again? Your broke ass on her last time. Ew. Nasty tongue. Little nasty bite.
It's white.
Ooh, he need to brush it. Like on
I said.
Ooh, what your little broke ugly ass doing? Ooh, I knew your broke ass. Ooh, what you been doing?
Oh, nah. That's that one. Nah. Those teeth is fake.
Who?
I'll slap them shits out your mouth.
I'll slap you with my damn phone, just like that. Keep on playing with me. How about that?
Okay.
Slap your ass with my phone. Where you at? Where you at? Cause hey, what's your little broke ass doing on here?
Who's broke?
You, what you doing on this app?
I'm not broke.
Yes, you are.
How am I broke?
Because you ain't got no money in your pocket.
I gotta.
Oh, Jesus, bless your heart.
How old are you?
Ew, that's gross. Why would you say that?
How old are you?
Why would you compare your growing area to your money?
Cause, like, that's where I got my money. But how old is you?
I'm 12.
You're 12?
No, look it.
I mean, you're gorgeous.
These people bad.
Hey, those shit fake. I know those shit.
Who? Listen here, let me tell you something, little buddy. Cause it don't matter what. He ain't let me talk. I couldn't get it out.
Hell,
Hey, what your little broke ass doing on here?
I know those are not your real teeth.
It don't matter. I said, what your broke ass doing on this app? What your little broke ass doing? Huh? Huh?
Yeah, it was on that one.
Do what? I'm be your friend. You my friend.
Friend.
We friends for life. Mm-hmm. We'll go to the park. We'll go to Burger King. Oh, child. There you go, friend. Yeah, I'm trying. Oh, now I'll talk to you later, friend. My glasses keep falling off. I don't know. What your little broke ugly ass doing on her?
Mine broke ugly?
Yeah. You ain't gotta break it down. I'm gonna say it again for you. I said, what your little broke ugly ass doing on her?
Yo, no funny. Oh my god.
What you eating?
Chicken tenders.
Give me a bite.
Nah.
Give me a bite. You stingy.
You gonna eat my hand if I try to give you a bite?
Eat your hand. Boy, I ain't right trying to bite your little dusty hand. I said, give me a bite.
Them fucking chompers, goddamn.
Who? You gonna go on me.
What you trying to fight? What part of time?
Hey, baby daddy. Oh. Well, damn. KJ, damn, what you looking at me like you got a little attitude? What your little broke ass doing? Huh?
Nasty, bro.
Who? You good? Huh? You good? You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm about to like you.
Ain't else? Ain't else? Cardi B could never. Cardi B, Megan, all of them.
Could never.
Keisha Cole, yeah, Queen Naja, they could never, baby.
Could never.
Exactly, I know what it is.
You the best to ever do it.
The baddest.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not saying Trina to my baddest. Bitch, I'm the baddest.
Right.
Don't even take it there.
You effing F?
Whew, baby, cute. You good?
I'm okay.
Okay, I'm good then.
Mm-hmm. Have a good day.
You too. Damn, what your little broke ugly ass doing out in the camera like that?
What the fuck you got them teeth on for, G?
Shit, they grew out my gum.
Julian!
Huh?
Julian, bro! You lying, it was not your teeth, fool.
These my teeth. Why you got them teeth on?
Cause he's mine. I paid for him. Look at her teeth, bro. She's talking about them her real teeth.
That's Kyle.
Yeah, man, you didn't see him, bro. Put your teeth back. Them ain't your teeth.
Ooh, what's up, little daddy? Ooh, do some strings for a piece of change.
Girl, this must be a YouTube channel or something for you.
No. What's your number? What's the number? What's the number? Hey, give me your. No, I'm trying to get. I'm trying to get his number. What's your number?
See, he don't want your number. You ain't sucking.
What's his number? Give me your number.
He was not sucking it.
His number. Give me the number. Shit, I'm trying to call.
He don't want your number.
You want to see you hating. You hating. What's his damn number, girl?
He only 18.
Oh shit. Get out of here.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Jesus Christ. Let me write the damn letter. Disclaimer.
This gotta be some type of YouTube channel.
Disclaimer. Oh shit. Oh, no, I didn't do that. I didn't say that.
Hey, no.
Oh child.
Because I will follow you. This shit funny as hell. Look, your teeth about to fall out. What the fuck, dude?
Oh, Jesus Christ. What are you doing there, buddy? Yeah. What are you doing? Yeah, I know. Don't tell him what you're doing. Yeah. We're twins. Oh, Jesus.
It was really weird.
Hey, what's up?
Your teeth.
Huh? I said, what's up?
No, I'm saying what the fuck is your teeth?
Who you talking to?
Who else I'm talking to?
No, somebody else over there. It gotta be somebody else over there you talking to.
Your teeth are big as that, like, you got zombie teeth.
Zombie? And I bet you can't even close your mouth though. I bet you can't even close your mouth though.
Your eyes big as shit. That's all.
Yeah, you sound like a hater, little buddy.
I am a hater.
Yeah.
I mean that.
Yeah, you wish your girl could look like me. Yeah, your girl could never.
No.
Scary. Bro, I got trust issues.
What's your little broke ass doing on here? I told you not to get on here no more.
Oh my god.
So, she was mad.
I'm like really glad you're not built like that.
I ain't even gonna lie, you know something? So, you know something?
I would bully you like if you really looked like that.
She had a cousin. You know a girl named Eileen or no?
I know Eileen. I know her.
Do you know a girl named Ayani?
Ayani, yeah, I went to school with her.
Ayani?
Yeah, I went to school with her.
Esperanza?
Yeah, that's her. See?
You know her, Ayani?
See?
Yep.
Oh!
Now, Yaya.
Nah.
Yeah. I'm just lying. What your little bad ass doing on her eating Twinkies? Yeah, you. What your bad ass doing on her eating them Twinkies? Your mama know you been eating them Twinkies because she told you not to eat them Twinkies after 7. It's 7 o'clock. Why you on her eating them? Explain yourself.
I see you somewhere.
Explain yourself. I'm waiting. I got time today. Why you on her eating them Twinkies?
You on TikTok.
Why you eating that Twinkie? Are you gonna eat it in my face and not sure? Oh! It's up for now. We're gonna have to fight now. We're gonna have to fight. You gonna eat that in my face?
What's your TikTok?
I'm saying you just gonna eat that Twinkie. No, I'm not talking about that. I said you just gonna eat that Twinkie in my face.
No.
Give me a piece then.
Ugh.
Why you say it like that?
I don't want to eat it no more.
Well, give it to me then.
Yeah.
Give me a piece.
You can have it.
My friend.
You on TikTok.
That's what I'm talking about. You sure? Ooh, my friend. You want some of my juice? You got, huh? Yeah. You don't know? Okay. Well, I see you around there. I see you on TikTok. What y'all little broke ass doing on here? In the lights and the darks and you trying to do on her? You got some type of club going on?
What?
Huh?
What?
Why you trying?
What you talking
You
about?
messing with me. You got your camera turned. Hold on. Now I can talk to you. What you say?
Who that?
I'm here, huh?
How you doing?
What's up? What's up? What's up? He trying to holler at me. What's going on?
Can I do the police?
Hold on. Let me get his number. What's his number?
Okay.
Huh?
251
Okay.
593
Okay.
5373.
53 what?
5373.
Okay. Hold on. What's wrong? Y'all good?
It was straight.
Yeah, I'm here the moment I get out here. I got it saved in here. Huh? Okay, you guys, just gonna put an end to my freaking video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you stick around for the next one. And it's BANDRUNNERZ Squad all day, every day. Now in and now out. Peace out, squad.